Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the tools: a computer, a Lightning or USB-C cable, and an Apple ID if Find My is active. First, put the iPhone into recovery mode, press, and hold the correct button sequence for your model while connecting the cable. Once done, the computer should detect a device in recovery. Make sure iTunes or Finder is updated so it can download the firmware. You're acting now to erase and restore, which removes the forgotten passcode, but preserves activation requirements. Now use Finder or iTunes to restore the device. Select the iPhone entry shown as in recovery, then click Restore. The app downloads the iOS firmware and erases the phone. This takes time, so be patient. The progress bar may pause while verifying the download. Once the restore completes, the iPhone restarts and shows the setup screen. Make sure you stay connected through the whole process. Otherwise, the phone may re-enter recovery mode, and you'll repeat these steps. After the restore, set up the iPhone as new or restore from an iCloud or encrypted backup. Sign in with your Apple ID when prompted to remove activation lock. This is why credentials matter. If activation lock prevents access, you must enter the original account credentials or provide proof of purchase to Apple. If anything goes wrong, retry recovery mode, try another USB cable or computer, and make sure the computer's security software isn't blocking the connection.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.